that in a coding system, N is written as NZO and Bach is written as CTSL. Okay, and you have to write Frank in the same coding. Okay, so see, as this is the direct coding one, P is coded as N, E is coded as Z, then E is coded as Z and N is coded as O. Okay, so wherever you will see P, you have to write it as N. The coding will be N. Similarly for the others. Here, B is written as C, A as T, R as S, K as L. Okay, so here you have to find out the coding system or coding for rank. So see, P for N, it means coding should start with N. Okay, so this is eliminated. Now next, rank R. R is coded as S. So the next letter should be S. So our answer is this one. All other are eliminated, right? So this is how also you can do. And one more thing is that you can write it also, right? So now let's go to this next question. Here, sheep is written as this one and bleat is written as like this. Okay, so you have to find out how slate can be written. How slate can be written in the same coding system. Okay, in the same coding system. Okay, now as we know that sheep is written as this one and bleat as this, you have to first find out that which letter is coded as what. Okay, so here S is coded as G, H as A, E as X, again X, and P as R. And similarly here it is also done for the bleat. Okay, so here you have to find out the coding for slate. Slate, S, it means G. Okay, so the coding should start with G. So here A, B, C are starting with G except D, so this is eliminated. Now next is L, A. L, A as P and A as T. It means P, T. So this is also eliminated. Now we are left with only this one. Now T, E. T is coded as N and E as X. Okay, so N, E. In last, it should be N, E. Sorry, not E, because X is E is coded as X. Okay, so here coding at the end should be NX. Okay, NX, right? So you got your answer, that is G, P, T, and X, right? So this is your answer, right? So this is very easy. And another thing also you could have done that, see here, the last two letters are different, rest are same. So what you can do here, you can just simply find out the last two coding over here, like TE. If you would have find out that what is the coding for TE, you can easily eliminate the wrong answer. Okay, now let's see the next one. Here central is coded as A, B, C, D, E, F, G and planetarium as this one. Okay, now you have to find out the coding for lantern. And see, this is the direct coding again. So again this is going to be really very easy. C is coded as A, E as B. Okay, similarly all others. Here you have to find out the coding for lantern. You will one by one you can see and write it. Okay, you will end up with like this, like G, F, C, D, B, E, C. G, F, C, D, B, E, C. So our answer is option C. Okay. Now the next question. Tutorial is written as this, dance as this. Then you have to find out how education can be written in the same code. Okay, so similarly you will write like this. Okay, both the coding and the actual letters. And then you as you know that you have to find out the coding for education. So simply write it down, like E is written as Z. Okay, we wrote it at like Z. D is coded as Y. Very easy. We wrote Y. Then U is coded as O. Then simply write O. Okay. And similarly for the other letters as well. Okay. So here our answer is Z, Y, O, M, C, D, L, and J. Z, Y, O, M, C, D, L, and J. So your answer is option B. Right. This is so easy, right?